Hey everyone, a little back history on what this next video is going to be about. About 7 years ago I went to an estate sale and bought a bunch of stuff and ended up picking up this cash register for 50 bucks. They said it was broken. Thankfully Rita decided to record me. Enjoy the video.
Okay folks, I've had this cash register for 7 years. I always wanted to open it and it's never opened. But today I'm going to smash this bitch apart. It's always been heavy. What inspired me to do it today. Want some change? Finally down to the gritty. Let's fucking check her out. I see pennies. Oh, I've never had this far. Ooh, the pennies. Oh my god! Look at this fucking thing. Woo! Holy shit, look at them all. Holy man, I can't even get them all out. So many. Oh my god! Fives! Holy! Look at how old they are! Ones! Holy! Holy Christ! Woo! Glad I smashed you open! Holy Christ! 20s! 20s! Look at all the 20s! Holy fuck! Look at all the 10s! All the 5s! Holy! All the 1s! All American! Smells good! Wow, that smells good! Oh, look, there's a tray here! Oh, there's more under the tray! This is Christmas all over! Holy! More American! Holy shit! I can't wait to count this! I feel like the happiest man in the world. There's more trays! Oh! Just got one all. Look at the money! Holy! It's everywhere! Holy!
That's Canadian.
Holy!
Looks like pennies.
I'll keep all the pennies. Look at that old dollar bill folded up. Hey, I probably got the other half of that somewhere.
Maybe I got the other half.
Holy Christ. I got this at an estate sale. I never opened it. I always tried it. It was never opened. I Googled it. Nobody knew how to do it. Yeah! Paid off! I'm stoked, man. I am stoked. Can't wait to count it all. I can't wait to tell you how much was here! Read back. More money. Daddy got payday. 452 American, 128 Canadian, all old bills. All black change, all silver, whatever dollars, American dollars. Holy, was a good day. Very. I'm telling you, folks, remain alive. Remain alive. Hey, folks, got her out. Canner, what we got? Got a whole bunch of change here, but who cares about the change? We got a shitload of 5s, a 2, a ton of 1s. All old, some are really old. But then we jump to the Americana. We got a whole load of American money here. There's the 1s. We'll scroll up and there's some more 1s. Some 5s. And then bam! Some 10s. A whole stack of 20s. Living large. Remain alive, folks. Remain alive.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're as excited as I was to see what was in that till. That was no BS, that's what was in there. I'm still stoked about it. If you like this video, come on, give it a like button. Tell your friends. Tell them to subscribe. Share it. Get me out there, man. Maybe I'll keep making these videos. Okay guys, peace out. Remain alive.